Hey there. I thought I was ready to come back, but I realized I was rushing into the same old shitty rhythm that burned me out before. Typical therapists, they do not learn by themselves. This time I'm doing it differently. No pressure, no pushing, just soft steps back into music, into life, into myself. I hope that it will come true. But be honest, life on the outside has been kicking my ass lately. I got betrayed by a car dealer and a hell of shit storm running to me, broken handpan and health issues. I've had zero energy for music, even for music tutorials, even for myself. So I used to think I had to show up all in or not at all, but now I'm learning how to show up gently, to reconnect with the joy of creating without turning it into a to-do list, which I have, by the way, 2 pages. But after this, I try not using a to-do list for the next 2 months. So if you're trained and you're feeling trained too, like the world just keeps demanding and you're barely holding it together, this might be your permission slip to slow down, to breathe, to come home to yourself with no expectations. So maybe I created also for myself and for you for free my little free course, no pressures, no rule, for handpan music from the inside. So if that resonates with you, I have the link below in the description or in the bio. And it's a little gift to calm down. So from my side, right now, I'm taking a break because I need it. And maybe when the time is right, I show up with regular tutorials every Saturday. But now, when the time is right, music should and will return naturally, and I share bites and pieces along the way through reels and shorts, but gently. No pushing. I'm still here, just slower. Not every Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday I'm posting. I post when the time is right. And maybe that's exactly how it should be. Love you, see you soon.